Okay, so we actually are today we are going to study introduction to reflection and reflective writing. Okay, so when we talk about reflection or reflective writing, it is another it is another genre of writing. Like normally we write essays, we write descriptive essays, we write narrative essays, right? We write argumentative essays. So there are different genres of writing, and this is one of them. All right, and when we are, if you are asked to write a reflective essay or make a reflective journal, so, what you should be writing in it. This is a big question mark. That if I ask you कि आप reflect करें, reflect करने का मतलब होता है think, ponder on the practices and your experiences जो आप पहले से कर चुके हैं, ठीक है? For instance, अगर मैं आपको teaching कर रही हूँ, so after my session, I will reflect back that what went well, what did not go well, क्या चीज़ अच्छी हुई, क्या चीज़ अच्छी नहीं हुई, मुझे क्या challenges आए, क्या मेरा, just look at this. Right now you were not able to just before a few minutes, you were not able to listen to me. So I know that my headphone and my hand free, wasn't working well. It had distortion. So next time when I conduct your class on the basis of this experience, because I'm reflecting on it, I might arrange a new, headset or their speakers. Clear? So reflection is all about relevant to our life and daily life experiences. It is not something new. Okay, it is not something that is out of the world. It is not something that you cannot talk about. You can definitely relate to it. All right, so let's go ahead. So our major points will be today, what is reflection, what are the sources of reflection, I mean, what do we reflect on mainly. Mm, what are the skills and attitudes required for reflection, how to start and how to write reflections, including what is reflective writing, what is a reflective journal, and how you should write down your experience in it. Okay, your entire analysis of the situation, how will you be writing, and then the framework for reflection. Okay, another thing, we have a very interesting thing that we will study Gibbs reflective cycle, which is actually a kind of, you can say, a great help for you, uh, that how to write your reflections. Okay, so it has made your life easier now. अब आपको एक model मिल जाएगा. All right, Gibbs reflective cycle or a model, it is very very important. If you know this, that what it says and what are the stages, that when you are sitting and writing and reflecting back your practices, and then when you are writing, so what are the questions that you need to answer. Clear? Okay, now, but before we move on, I would like to ask, okay, I would like to ask any one of you, like, let me just, okay, Ata. All right, I would like to ask Ata. Ata, will you please unmute? Yesterday, I posted in the group, some, you can say a few prompts. All right, I gave you the thinking task. It wasn't a writing task. I just gave you a thinking task that you can think about your clinical practices or your nursing experience so far. Like 1.5 year, you have successfully completed and spent at KGH. You have been going on your clinicals. All right. So I asked you to just think. We have already studied it as CIA, critical incident analysis, in second semester. I'm really glad. I'm really glad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then today, when I teach you, so you can compare that what your what you studied before, because mainly the English classes are meant on meant to develop your skills. All right, meant at developing your skills, and then especially skills of writing. So our the major topic is reflective writing, how to write this, how to write your reflections. Okay, so I would like Ata to please unmute yourself. Ata, if you can hear me. Okay.
Yes, miss.
All right. Acha, and meanwhile, I will request Shebaz. Shebaz, please take the screenshot of attendance so I can later on mark your attendance in my attendance register. I will also
Miss,
take,
right now or at the end of the
you know,
class?
you can take one right now, because right now we have about 24 participants, and one at the end. I will also take, of course, I will also take the attendance. Yes, Atta,
Okay.
I would like to hear from you that
Yes.
yesterday I posted something in the group, okay, that reflect back on your practices, on your clinical practices. So can you just describe any situation, any incident, anything that you experienced, and what was your learning from this? Was there anything
Miss,
surprising, or you did anything that was different, and what was your overall experience? I would like to hear from you. Yes.
Miss, I experience one thing that nurse should be polite and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you know it should be polite. But when I see in clinical area,
Mm-hmm.
it's not like that. I would be very surprised. They, there was one female staff who
Mm-hmm.
was misbehaving with old man, and
Oh
it
my
was
God.
very surprising for me because I am a
Mm.
student and I didn't say anything to her
Yes.
because I'm not at that stage or level to scold someone
Yes.
or to
Point.
stop someone.
Mm-hmm.
So I just pray and move on. So it's very surprising for me that she was misbehaving because I always listen that nurse should be caring, polite, and many more. But it was nothing like that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Atta. And it is a great point that you have raised, because again, when we say that your communication skills, how you deal with patients, how polite you are, how kind you are, these things really matter a lot. Okay, now I would like to request Anisha. Anisha, will you please unmute yourself, and can you just share anything that you experienced during your clinicals that was surprising? Anything that you observed, something right, something wrong, something positive, something negative? Anisha, will you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yes,
morning.
Anisha, please, I would like to hear from you. What was your experience?
Ma'am, my experience was good,
Mm-hmm.
not bad.
Not bad. All right. What was so good? Then tell
Yes.
me what was so good.
Where I have duty, there is staff are very polite
Mm-hmm. All right.
and they compromising to us.
Mm-hmm. 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 And what was your experience like with the patient, dealing with patient? How was that?
Some patients are like
Mm-hmm.
they hyper, but
Mm-hmm.
staff are saying to us that you have to do it first. Then I will
Okay.
be
All
do
right.
everything.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself now. Students, you know what? Why I was just, I wanted and I just made you speak so that we all can figure out that what is the limitation. Right now when you are sharing your experience. So Anisha said that my experience was good. Okay. So when you are writing a reflection and you are writing that my experience was good. Okay, then you also have to write what was good. You also have to give the detail of what were the good aspects of what were the good things that you experienced, what were not so good, what were things that were little challenging for you. Clear? So please keep that in mind as well, beta, कि आपने चीजों को expand करना है. Writing is all about having the content, having the material you have in your brain. Okay, and so let us now start the topic. Okay, so this is our topic today. Okay, so we will be learning about what is reflection and how to do reflective writing. And when you are writing a reflective, your reflection, what is the model that you use for writing? Okay, so let's go ahead. Now, what is reflection? So reflection is something that, a reflection means to think about, ponder on, asking yourself questions about, okay, what is not going so well, it can be your person, you can reflect about your personal life experiences as well. Reflection is a general term, okay, and it does not only mean that you will only be reflecting upon your nursing practices. One should always reflect on all the activities that you do on daily basis. It is very important. देखिए reflection को आप उस तरह से ले सकते हैं कि हमने, it is in our religion as well, okay, and it is a sign of a good human being that whatever the deeds you perform in a day, कि आप दिन में जितने भी काम करते हैं, okay, of course we are human beings, we are not perfect, sometimes we do things wrong, sometimes we may hurt people, sometimes we are dealing with people, be it your immediate family members, your parents, or your colleagues, or your class fellows, or your teachers. Sometimes it's not very good, and it's not very ethical, all right? So what happens? Do you let it go, like, okay, whatever I'm doing right, okay? Do you just let it go, or you think and ponder over your behaviors and your attitudes and your actions, that why did I do that? Why did, like, if two people were having an argument, you interrupted and you started to deviate, you started to just you can say that uh, fueling the matter. Fueling the matter means कि आपने उसको मजीद बढ़ा दिया. Later on, did you think that why did I do that? I shouldn't have done that. मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हम जिंदगी में हम ये करते हैं और सोचते हैं कि मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, काश मैं ये ना करती. All right, and it is very natural that we do reflect on. अच्छा, अगर ये आपकी हैबिट है, मेक इट अ हैबिट टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योर प्रैक्टिसेस, टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योर एक्शंस. अगर ये आपकी हैबिट नहीं है, तो फिर आप यू विल बी ऑन द फ्लो ऑफ योर एक्शंस कि ओके, जो भी हुआ अच्छा या बुरा हुआ हो गया. देन वंस यू डिड नॉट थिंक अबाउट इट, द नेक्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट वर्स. एक बैड एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, आप उस पर रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करते तो वो आगे वर्स हो जाएगा, बट अगर आप रिफ्लेक्ट करते हो तो वो बेटर हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट, so trying to work something out, okay, discuss with yourself, learning from your experiences. We all learn from our experiences, our good experiences and our bad experiences. हम जिंदगी में जो भी सीखते हैं अपने अच्छे बुरे तजुर्बात से सीखते हैं, ठीक है? And this is basically reflection का फायदा क्या होता है? It gives you the future, it gives you the future insight, that it gives you kind of help to design your and to devise your future plans and strategies. कि अच्छा अब तो ये हो गया, अब आगे मुझे ये नहीं करना. All right, so it provides you a kind of an instinct or a kind of an insight that okay, अब ये हुआ, अब मुझे अगली बार में ये चीज नहीं करनी, ये वाला स्टेज पे आई हैव टू मेक सम चेंजेस. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स, what are the sources of reflection? Our everyday events, our positive experiences, our good experiences, our bad experiences, our events, our unusual incidents, and our routine activities. So since, when you are a student, so study, your, study and your, the clinical, being a nursing student, clinical, they are the part of your routine activities. So it is serving you in two ways. That one thing is that it is the part of your routine activities. On the other hand, it is the part of your academic and professional, mundane. कि ये आपकी दो तरह से आपको करना होगा इसके ऊपर रिफ्लेक्शन. Because one, it is the part of your life, it is the part of your routine, that every day you wake up, you come to school, you spend about 6 to 7 hours here, all right, and in those hours you study, you go on your clinicals, you do a lot of public dealing, people interactions. So of course, and meanwhile during this time a lot of things happen, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. So reflection is definitely something that is inevitable, that you cannot deny. Okay, and then important events, meaningful. अच्छा, अब मैं आपको बड़ी जनरल एग्जांपल्स दे रही हूँ, ठीक है? लाइक जनरल एग्जांपल्स हैं, व्हाट माइट हैव, ये वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वेरी जनरल और देन वी विल गो टू स्पेसिफिक क्लिनिकल पे. ऑलराइट, व्हाट माइट यू रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन in your day-to-day life? Like, I'm always late for work. Okay, why you're always late for work? Sit and think and reflect that what is not working. What is not working means ke, where is the fault? कहाँ पे चीजें नहीं हो रही? Maybe I get up late, so now I need to set my alarm clock 30 minutes earlier. All right. So if my alarm clock is set at 7 a.m. in the morning, so now I should set it, at 6:30, and then let's try this out and let's experience whether it works or not. Okay. But if you are late, from your work and from your school, every time, and you don't even think that this is wrong, that's like, you are getting ingrained something negative in yourself, and you are normalizing it. आप उसको normalize कर रहे हैं. Okay, because if I'm late, I'm late. Fine. That was a great holiday. Now, just think that if you had a holiday, how did you spend your holiday? What did you do? What were the activities that you performed? Were there any healthy activities, or you just wasted your time and the day? Okay, so you can also reflect upon it. My car has turned out to be an old banger. All right, like something you have to think about that, you have a lot of things and possessions. So you have to see that what is working and what is not working. Do I need to change this? Do I need to send it for the repair, or what? I have had a very productive weekend. So if your weekend was good, why was it good? What was so good? What made you feel happy? Okay. And I keep running out of money before the end of the month. So you see that every month, if this is maybe for someone who is doing a job, all right. So every month, the last days of the month, before the month ends, you just go run, you just run out of money. All right. You don't have enough money to manage your expenses. So what you should be doing now? So it is all, these are all general examples that we follow. Okay, reflection is very important because it gives you, it bridge the gap between the theory and the practical. All right, sometimes हम सिर्फ बोलते हैं, and we apparently we don't have anything concrete in our hand. हमारे पास वो evidences नहीं होती, हमारे पास outcomes नहीं होते हैं, या कोई चीज tangible नहीं होती है in form of success, in form of achievement. The reason is that we think a lot and we have a lot of theories, but हमने उसको practically apply नहीं किया, and it reduces the practices based on custom and practice. Develop and understand your practice, decision made, lessons learned, implications. अच्छा, एक और इसमें point था. Okay, now the last point is for you, for nurses. Ensure that care remains patient centered and based in the patient experience. Okay, so mainly, we have talked that, in your day-to-day life, reflection is very important. What you are doing is good. What you are doing is not good. Okay, but on the other hand, at your workplace or at your when you are being assigned any responsibilities, and when you are going to clinical, which is the part of your nursing and the degree program. So do you just think about what is actually the relationship and how you deal the patients? What is your relationship with the patient? और उसमें ये होना चाहिए कि your patient should be the central, and the central attention. Okay, and you have to draw the conclusion based on the patient's experience. Clear? Achha, now, what are the skills and attitudes that are needed? You need a skill and attitude that you need to willing to learn from your experience. Willingness is very important, that you want to learn from your experiences, and able to make time for reflection. Exactly. This is also very important, that many of you don't reflect because you think that we don't have time. Okay, so taking out 10 to 20 minutes every day, or 10 to 15 minutes every day, to think about your practices and your daily activities, and your about your studies and about your duties that you performed, it will help you. It will help you understand yourself better, your strengths and your weaknesses. If I ask you that what are your strengths as a student and as a potential nurse, you will all be professional nurses after 2 years. So what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? Why you will not be able to tell? Many of you, why? Because आप reflection नहीं करते. Okay, so what happens that reflection lets you meet to yourself. आप जब रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं ना किसी भी एक्टिविटी को, किसी भी एक्शन को, किसी भी अपने टास्क को, अपने अपने बिहेवियर्स को, अपने डे टू डे आपके जो नॉर्म्स आपके जो चोर्स हैं जो आप कर रहे होते हैं उसको, इट गेट्स यू कनेक्ट टू योर सेल्फ, वो आपको अपने आप से प्लग इन करता है। यू आर गेटिंग मी? क्योंकि अगर आप अपने बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो आपने रिफ्लेक्ट करना है, एंड दोज पीपल हु डोंट रिफ्लेक्ट, व्हाट हैपेंस, दे गेट अवे फ्रॉम देमसेल्व्स, वो अपने आप से दूर हो जाते हैं। क्लियर? सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू डू know about yourself, being open and honest. If something wrong has happened, admit it कि मेरे साथ मैंने ये गलत किया है, of course this was my mistake. Okay, share your experiences, and then your reflection and your experiences motivate you to do something better. And then of course action plan is also very important, that if you are if you reflect, so आपको future में क्या करना है और कोई चीज कैसे improve करनी है, it helps you so that you can have a better action plan for your activities. अच्छा, उसके stages क्या हैं, reflection कैसे किया जाए? Have a pen and a paper. All right, be spontaneous, just write whatever is true, whatever is coming in your mind. All right, just be very spontaneous, write down ideas as they come to you. Don't worry about structure, order, spelling and grammar initially जब आप record करते हैं अपने reflection को, and be imaginative. Okay, now अब हम चलते हैं सबसे पहले गिब्स. अच्छा, this is important now. अच्छा, that was all something which was relevant to like why is reflection important in the personal and professional setting. All right, दोनों चीजों में क्यों जरूरी है reflection, और दूसरा why is it how should we reflect, why should we reflect and how should we reflect. Now we are coming towards something, that how to write, how to do reflective writing. रिफ्लेक्टिव राइटिंग आप कैसे करेंगे, एक बेहतरीन रिफ्लेक्शन आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं, व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड रिफ्लेक्शन दैट यू आर सपोज टू राइट. ओके, उसके लिए हम फॉलो करेंगे गिब्स रिफ्लेक्टिव साइकिल मॉडल. ऑलराइट, Professor Graham Gibbs published his reflective cycle in 1988 in his book Learning by Doing. Okay, and basically this book is was written to help people from situations that they experience regularly, especially when these don't go well. All right, so the model that Gibbs has given, it has 5 things that when you are writing a reflection, usme there are 6 things that you need to follow. Sabse pehle you have to describe the situation, what happened, then feeling, what were you feeling that time, then evaluation, okay, then analysis, then conclusion, and then action plan. Okay, now I will stop my screen here and I will show you few examples. Acha, by the way, everyone please note, this first session is lecture based और इसमें मैं आपको सिर्फ बता रही हूँ, समझा रही हूँ. You have to join the meeting again after 10 minutes. जब ये meeting खत्म हो जाएगी, after 10 minutes you have to join the meeting again. In that meeting, I will provide you samples of reflection writing, nursing samples of writing reflections. ठीक है? Secondly, I will provide you the language help, that what kind of words and phrases you can use to write. And I will also explain the assignment, जिसका मैंने एक टेम्पलेट बनाया है. ठीक है, वो टेम्पलेट बनाना है आपको, उसी के अंदर अपने रिफ्लेक्शंस लिखने हैं प्रिंट आउट लेकर. ओके, so then these 3 things we will do in the next session. So if the meeting gets over after 40 minutes, जब ये मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी उसके 10 मिनट के बाद आपने अगेन ज्वाइन करना है. Is it okay? Please write in the chat box yes if you all are listening to me, and you all have to join the second session because जो assignment वाला part है, it is in the second session. So please write in the chat box that you acknowledge what I have said. आपको समझ आ गया? Okay, Shoaib, thank you so much. Yasin, Bilal, thank you so much. And you know the next session is very important and it is very interesting as well. Ata, I'm saying that after this meeting gets over, जब ये मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी उसके 10 मिनट के बाद आपने दोबारा उसी लिंक से ज्वाइन इन करना है. ठीक है, हम दूसरा सेशन करेंगे. उस सेशन में मैं आपको सैंपल रिफ्लेक्शन रिफ्लेक्टिव राइटिंग के सैंपल्स दूंगी. दोनों, जनरल भी और नर्सिंग के भी, ठीक है। और आई विल ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट योर असाइनमेंट कि आपको असाइनमेंट में क्या करना है। मैंने आपके लिए बहुत ईजी असाइनमेंट बना लिया है, एक टेम्पलेट बना लिया है, सो दैट इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। क्लियर हो गया? सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू वर्क हार्ड अलॉट। आप उसी टेम्पलेट में अपनी चीजें लिख दीजिएगा एंड देन सबमिट दैट टू मी। क्लियर? आई विल ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड यू अ डॉक्यूमेंट दैट हैज द लैंग्वेज हेल्प, कि अगर आप कुछ लिख रहे हैं तो आप उसमें कौन कौन से फ्रेजेस एंड सेंटेंसेस यूज कर सकते हैं। तो ये कुछ चीजें हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में करेंगे। दिस सेशन में अब हम आते हैं गिफ्ट रिफ्लेक्टिव साइकिल, जिसकी 6 स्टेजेस हैं। ओके, सो ऑलराइट, ओके, यू आर वेलकम, वेलकम गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच। ऑलराइट, सो डिस्क्रिप्शन, फीलिंग, सो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग एंड इवैल्यूएशन, अच्छा ये जो 3 स्टेजेस हैं गिफ्ट्स की, डिस्क्रिप्शन, फीलिंग एंड इवैल्यूएशन, इट इज फोकसिंग ऑन, यू नो, it is focusing on the what happened, और जो एनालिसिस, कंक्लूजन एंड एक्शन प्लान है, दिस फोकसेस ऑन क्या होना, क्या कुछ बेहतर हो सकता था और हम फ्यूचर में उन चीजों को कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स स्टडी सेपरेटली। जब आप डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखेंगे, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में सिंपल क्या लिखेंगे? वेयर वाज आई, हु एल्स वाज देयर, व्हाई वाज आई देयर, व्हाट वाज आई डूइंग, व्हाट हैपेंड। अगर आप इन सवालों के जवाब दे देंगे तो आपका डिस्क्रिप्शन पार्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। क्लियर? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, यू आर परफॉर्मिंग योर ड्यूटी एट सिविल हॉस्पिटल, तो आप कहेंगे आई वाज परफॉर्मिंग माय ड्यूटी एट सिविल हॉस्पिटल विद, किसके साथ कर रहे थे, हाउ मेनी अदर, you had your supervisor, you had other students as your mates. Why was I there? आप वहाँ क्या कर रहे थे? I was there and I was assigned the duty to do this and this, to check patients this and this. Okay, all right. So this is the or why and what can be like, it can be written all together, that why you were there. You will definitely have to tell the purpose कि आपका purpose क्या था. You were assigned the duty and the responsibility to do this in this ward. All right, and what was I doing? फिर आपने क्या actions ली, आपने क्या क्या किया, and what happened finally. Clear? I will show you examples in the next meeting. अच्छा, feelings में क्या लिखेंगे? How was I feeling at the beginning, during and after the experience? So when you were dealing a particular patient या आप कोई भी task perform कर रहे थे, how were you feeling? Were you feeling nervous? Were you feeling excited? Were you feeling sad? Were you feeling happy? All right, in the beginning, during and the end. What was I thinking about? What was going on in your mind? What did other people actions make or think you feel? The way other people were reacting to you, उससे आपको क्या फील हो रहा था? The way the patients reacted to you, how did you feel? How did I feel about the outcome? क्या रिजल्ट रहा उस एक्शन का, उस एक्सपीरियंस का, and what do I think about it now? और अब आपको क्या लगता है कि was it okay, was this good, was this not good, something like that. What is evaluation? Evaluation is very simple. आपने ये करना है evaluation में कि whatever the task or the duty you were performing, or whatever was your experience, ठीक है, आपने ये करना है कि you have to think that what was good about the experience for me and the patient and for others, and what was not so good, what was positive, like what positive and negative things did you do or did you observe or did you contribute. Like क्या चीज पॉजिटिव थी, क्या चीज नेगेटिव रही, क्या चीज अच्छी हुई, क्या चीज अच्छी नहीं हुई. क्लियर? what was so good, what was not so good. तो आप उसको ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ना देखें कि बिल्कुल एक पॉजिटिव मीन्स तो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव मीन्स बिल्कुल गलत और पॉजिटिव. नो, maybe if something went very good but कोई एक चीज उसके अंदर मिसिंग थी, that could have, you could think about it, so you can mention there that I did this and this, and it was the good things about the experience were these and this, but I also think that it was this particular thing did not go well, it could have been improved. ठीक है? Now we have less than 1 minute to end the meeting, guys. Please note it down that you will have to join again after 10 minutes. जब तक मैं ये recording save करूंगी, this recording will be converted in MP4. Okay, so जब तक मैं इसको save करूंगी, after 10 minutes you take a break and then join again. So in the next meeting, I am going to show you the samples, the nursing samples, the pattern, and as well as the assignment details. Is that okay? Thank you so much for joining, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Beta, don't forget to join again. ठीक है, आपने जरूर join करना. Okay.